If you come from a rural background, if your parents and relatives don't know how to speak English, if you don't have any English atmosphere, friends, don't worry. You don't need it because I have watched many videos on YouTube recording regarding this topic. Many of the YouTubers say in their videos that you need these topics to speak English. But I'm not agree with them because I didn't have anything which I mentioned in my previous sentence. But after that, I could speak English. How? How could I speak it? How could I achieve it? Which is an international language, and many people try to speak it, but lot of them, a few people, are able to speak it. Why? What is the reason behind it? Let me tell you. Friends, this is Ibrahim Dirisi, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, ABC Village English. Friends, in this video, I am going to tell you, I am going to share with you an example. How could you improve your language? How can you increase your confidence level? How can you certify to yourself through English? Friends, as you know, I'm a beginner. My English level is not very bad, but yeah, I can speak English, and I can convince whatever I want to convince to people. Yeah, I can convince the people whatever why I want to convince. So friends, when I started to speak it, I didn't know at all about it. I had seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but after being watched the videos, the result was zero. I after practiced a lot, the result was zero. And because as far as I know, there is no school and no coaching where I live regarding speaking English. Where I go and take tuition to speak English. There is no coaching as far as I know. But how could I speak it? How could I achieve it? Which is called English. What is the reason behind it? Friends, let me tell you one thing. Friends, when I went to Mumbai and I need to be a tailor here. But when I went to Mumbai to get good job, good work, and I went to many companies to get good jobs, but I didn't get good job because I didn't have speaking knowledge of English. I was unable to speak English. So when I worked in Mumbai and I followed the people, what is the main thing? What is the main reason to get success in Mumbai? I realized English. If you know English, you can get whatever you want to get. I realized at that time. Then I decided I will speak English. Then I decided I will speak English. One day comes, then I will be able to English. One day comes, then I will be able to speak English like others people. But it was not easy. It was not an easy way. I committed to myself, but I didn't know what should I do, what shouldn't. And after being practiced a lot, the result was zero. I purchased many books regarding English speaking, but the result was zero. I asked many people, how can we speak English? How can I speak English? They told me, practice, practice, practice. But I had a problem. With whom shall I do practice? Because the people with whom I live, they didn't know how to speak English. Even they don't know. Even they didn't know how to read and write. How is possible? How is possible? Whatever I getting, whatever I was getting. So, but when I realized I should something in practical way, I I used I should I should do something in practical way. Then after being done, I began to speak English. So friends, don't matter. You don't have atmosphere, any atmosphere. You don't have speaking relatives. You don't have anything. I don't know, because if you want to get something, you will have to practice something. It's a famous dialogue. If you want to get something, you will have to practice something. It is a famous dialogue. And I did it to get English. Friends, this is the reason I told you. And friends, I'm a beginner. I I don't have sufficient knowledge of English. I am after practice a lot. I'm still learning. Sometimes I make mistakes while speaking English. Sometimes I make mistake while sentence structures. But please forgive me, because I I'm learning this language, because whichever I have learnt, I learned through practice. So you can see it's my practice, it's my journey, it's my learning skill. So please forgive me, because I have watched many videos on YouTube. I have very good people. I have seen very good people to speak English. Their English is superb. Their structure skills are very good. Their pronunciation is very good. I'm not as much as like them, but yeah, I can speak. What, because I need a practice, and I want to get it. So that's why, please, if I shall made any mistake, please forgive me, and please, because I'm learning this language. And friends, if you like my video, please like it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, the next to subscription option. Please, we will meet in another video. Please, till then.